Welcome to the lecture series of Power Electronics. In this session, I will be discussing most important questions from Module 4. In Module 4, we will be learning about various AC voltage controllers and dual converters. Okay, moving on to the discussion. The questions are listed as follows. With the help of circuit diagram and waveforms, explain the working of single-phase full-wave converter with the RL load. It is most important question. So whenever you are dealing with the RL load, remember that current and voltage are not in phase. But if I talk about resistive load, current and voltage both are in same phase. But here there are slight difference that you have to be taken care into consideration. So here the lagging nature of current has to be considered. Okay, circuit diagram with the suitable waveforms that is needed for this particular explanation. Circuit diagram has the weightage of 3 marks and the waveform with explanation 4 marks. Another one is numerical example. So single phase full converter has RL load, that specification has been given. Is a RLE load. Okay. The back EMF is also provided. The input voltage that is equal to 120 volt and the supply frequency is 60 hertz. Determine the load current at alpha is equal to 60 degree. Firing angle is equal to 60 degree. Average thyristor current, then RMS thyristor current. Okay. So what you can do is use the formula. So cut and dry formulas are available. So direct formula can be used. Okay. So you should know the relation between RMS value and the maximum value. Okay. VRMS equal to VM by root 2. That concept also you need to apply here. Question number 7C, with the help of circuit diagram and waveform, explain the working of single phase dual converter. Here you have to mention if the firing angle lies between 0 and 90 degree, the converter will act as rectifier. If the firing angle is between 90 to 180, the converter will act as inverter. That concept you have to mention. Okay, then alpha 1 plus alpha 2. What is the sum of alpha 1 plus alpha 2? Those things you have to mention while doing the explanation. Even there are equations. Okay, VDC1, VDC2, those equation also has to be mentioned very clearly. Another one is a numerical example. I have seen this question several number of times. Please go through this numerical example. Okay. Like the calculation of various parameters. Then with the help of circuit diagram and waveform, explain the operation of three-phase converter. Okay, how does it work? And waveforms are a bit complicated. So you need to mention like R and R by B, R by B. So you have to be very careful while drawing. So there is a numerical examples which is related to single phase full wave converter. So write down the given data. Okay, then you need to calculate the following like firing angle, then extension angle, then load angle, then RMS value of output voltage. There are formulas. There is no need to worry. So just refer the formulas and you can make it out. It's not a like a complicated one. Another one is with the help of circuit diagram and waveforms. Explain the working of single phase full wave converter with the R load. It is quite easy. Okay. Then numerical examples related to dual converter. You should know the formula VDC1, VDC2. What is the sum of alpha 1 plus alpha 2? Okay. Calculate the peak circulating current and the peak current of converter 1. Okay. Then with the help of circuit diagram and waveform, explain the working of three-phase dual converter. Okay. This is also important. Three-phase dual converter, single-phase dual converter. Okay. Then single-phase converter with the R load and R load. These are the major things we will be discussing in this module. Then with the help of circuit diagram and waveform, explain the working of single phase dual converter. Then explain the operation of single phase converter with the R load. How do you evaluate the performance of AC voltage controller? So you have to list out the performance parameters such as efficiency, voltage regulation, all the things you can mention. Okay. So if you have, also you can mention about the ripple. Okay, like converter performance, right? So if you have any queries, please do let me know. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.